Hey everyone, this is Tony from Triminator, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Triminator Dry trimmer. The Triminator Dry is a fast, quiet, user-friendly bud trimmer at a price and scale that is ideal for small to mid-sized grows. The thoughtful design behind the Triminator Dry has resulted in a machine that features tool-free assembly and disassembly, includes a set and forget timer, and is pressure washer friendly. The Triminator Dry uses proprietary shearband technology to eliminate the need for lubricants and vacuums, keeping your flowers trichome rich and ready for the premium flower market. The long, narrow drum maximizes the cutting surface while reducing trichome agitation, creating perfectly trimmed flowers at up to 8 pounds an hour. The Triminator Dry can also be converted seamlessly into a kief extractor with the optional kief kit. This kit allows you to easily swap your dry trimmer drum with the kief tumbler in seconds. To learn more about how the Triminator Dry can help with your next premium cannabis harvest, please visit thetriminator.com.